St. Simons Island, cloudy, 52, wind calm. Winter weather advisory in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Sunday. For Bacon, Pierce, Brantley, Camden counties. What? Some snowfall accumulation expected with total snow accumulations less than 1/2 inch. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Bacon, Brantley, Coastal Camden, Inland Camden, and Pierce counties. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 7 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Minor transportation impacts. Precautionary preparedness actions. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Here are the 11 p.m. conditions from around the area.